garden. Today we are going to cook the turkey on the grill.
All right, we're going to start first with getting our turkey cleaned and ready for brining. We are planning to brine it overnight, probably about 12 to 18 hours. We're going to clean it up and get it into a water bath. We're going to add salt and pepper, a little oregano and thyme, a little rosemary, just give it a little bit of flavor. We are going to stuff the turkey. We let it soak overnight and brine. The stuffing's just a simple stovetop stuffing. Once we have everything done and it's soaked overnight, we're going to take it out of its bath. We're going to put it into a standard baking pan for the grill. Okay. So once we get it into the pan, we're going to dry it off real good. Then we're going to add some extra virgin olive oil to get the skin really crispy while it's in the grill. We'll start by actually cooking it face down so we can kind of brown the back of it, and then we will turn it over. And of course, we're going to have both sides basted with the oil. We're also going to add some liquid to the bottom, kind of give it a little bit of steam so we don't get really dry turkey. The whole process for this size turkey, I think we're about 15 pounds, should be about 3.5 hours. And what we plan to do is about every hour, we're going to add about 12 or 15 charcoal pieces, try to keep that temperature right around that 300, 325. The temperature is a little cool today. We've had kind of misting rain, maybe even some snow. So even though it's right around mid-30s, it's going to take a little bit of temperature away from our grill. So I'll have to keep an eye on that pretty good. After the first hour, we checked on it and we noticed that the skin was browning up nicely. It was actually looking pretty good. So we brought it inside real quick, flipped it over, made sure we added some oil and a little bit of liquid. We actually had some of this apple cider drink, and we added that to the pan to give it a little bit of steam while it's in there cooking. And we also added the extra charcoal underneath to keep that temperature regular. Apple flavor. The next step was to let it go for another hour, add a little bit more charcoal, and then we checked on it, checked the temperature to see how we're done. Then another hour and a little bit more charcoal, and we actually finished it off in the oven as we already had been cooking a ham in there, so made it easy just to pop it in there, make sure all the internal temperatures were right. And since it was so cold outside, it took it a little extra time in the oven to finish it off.
Wow, it looks great! And see you next time!